Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Company Law and Secretarial Practice. This is module number 2, video number 7. In previous class, we have seen the documents required during the incorporation stage. So, these documents what we have discussed are the documents what we have to submit while incorporation of the company, that is memorandum of association, article of association, consent of prospect proposed directors, then agreement, statutory declaration, and receipt of payment of fees. Now today we shall discuss the simple things about the importance of incorporation. As we have discussed that the incorporation or in the formation of a company, the most important stage is incorporation, because this is the stage or step when a legal entity is being created in the eyes of law. So the incorporation stage is very important in the history or in the creation of the company. So this incorporation stage is very crucial, or say the prominent stage in the formation of the company, and this incorporation has certain importance also. So the incorporation stage means it is a stage where the company is being legally created in the eyes of law. It is similar to our birth certificate. The way our birth certificate tells about the birth of ours, similarly the incorporation stage tells the existence proof or a certificate of proof for the existence of the company. 2 marks question may come, what do you mean by incorporation? So you can write incorporation means it is a step in formation of company wherein the legal registration of the company happens and a certificate of registration is issued by the registrar of the companies. If you write this much, you will get 2 marks. And a question may come, explain the importance of certificate of incorporation. At that point of time, the following points can be explained. Number 1, it is a legal document that is legal proof of identity for the company. This certificate of incorporation is a document or a legal proof for having a separate entity of that company or existence of that company. So it is treated as a legal document or legal proof for the identity of the company. The way Aadhaar card is being made and mandatory identity for us, similarly for a company, the certificate of incorporation is the identity of existence. Then the second importance of incorporation certificate is a company is separate legal entity and the certificate of incorporation issued by the registrar mention the CIN, which is a distinct identity for the company. This CIN is a number given by the registrar of the company on the registration certificate. We can call it as a registration number as well of the company, because of which it creates a distinct entity in the eyes of law and a separate legal entity in the eyes of law. So this is the second importance of the certificate of incorporation. Third importance is it is a license to the company that the name is entered in the register of companies at the registrar of the companies, that is ROC, and the company is authorized to carry on the business as mentioned in the memorandum. So we can call it as a license for starting of the company issued by the registrar of a company. We can call in short form ROC. Here this certificate issued by ROC is a proof for starting the business and saying that this company or this name is being registered under these directors and all, and they can start the functioning of the company as per the memorandum. This is the third importance of certificate of incorporation. Fourth point is, as per section 7 subsection 7, if a company has been incorporated by furnishing any false or incorrect information, the tribunal may, or on an application made to it directly, remove the name of the company from the registrar of the companies, and hence the certificate can be revoked. If we register our company by giving some false information and a false documents, and at that point of time if the ROC, that is registrar of company, comes to know, and a case may be filed, and if the judgment happens, at that point of time the certificate of incorporation can be revoked. It can be cancelled and taken back. Then last importance of the certificate of incorporation is for legal correspondence. After incorporation, for any correspondence, it may be for opening of a bank account, it may be for opening of a PAN, getting of a PAN number, or for any other correspondence, this certificate of incorporation is mandatory and becomes a say proof of identity and address proof for that company for doing the correspondence. So these are some of the importance of the certificate of incorporation. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact me at any point of time. This question will be for 5 marks. Be prepared for that. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you. Good day.